Visualizing data. There are two kinds of data. The first one being computer data, which is the kind of data we've been discussing in this class so far. It's information that is processed or stored by a computer. Examples of this include text documents, photos, audio clips, and video files. The other kind of data, which is the data we're going to begin discussing today, is human readable data. It's the kind of data that humans look at. And this is defined as facts and statistics that are collected for reference or analysis. Examples of this include population data, grade statistics, weather statistics, polls, surveys, etc. Why visualize data? Or in other words, why use pictures to represent data? Well, it's as the old saying goes, pictures are worth 1,000 words. Consider this table in front of you. This table shows all of the grades for a group of students in the classroom. The problem with this table is that there's no clear message. There's no way for me to quickly draw any meaningful conclusion. Are all of these kids doing well? Are they passing, failing? Are they improving over time? Are they getting worse over time? There's no way for me to tell this right away. Right? However, if I have a pie chart, for example, that shows how the percentage of students who have A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's, just by looking at this pie chart, I can clearly see that the majority of students in this class are making an A, and that the minority are making an F, so on and so forth. This pie chart communicated in just a few seconds what probably would have taken us 30 minutes to an hour to figure out on our own if all we had was a table full of text to look at. This situation is just one example of a way we could visualize data to make it easier to communicate a message. In this video, we're going to go through several different ways we can do that. The first way being a bar chart. In this example, we have a bar chart that shows the inches of rain that came down over a span of several months. Bar charts are useful when your goal is to compare quantities. With the bar chart, we can quickly see the value of each independent variable in relation to one another. Another kind of visualization is the line chart. In this example, we have 3 lines showing 3 towns' populations over a span of decades. Right? Line charts are useful for when you want to show growth over time. With a line chart, you can clearly see if an independent variable's value went up over time or went down over time. And you can also see how fast it went down over time or how fast it went up over time. Then there's the pie chart, which is useful for comparing ratios. With the pie chart, it's easy to see which independent variable had the majority, which independent variable had the minority, and everything else in between. In this example, we're comparing ethnicity distribution. From this pie chart, it's clear to see Hispanics form the majority and other ethnicities form the minority in this population. The last example we're going to discuss is the histogram, which is great for showing frequencies. In this example, we see that just under 4 people got grades between 0 and 69. Just under 8 people got grades between 70 and 79. Approximately 16 students got grades between 80 and 89. And 8 students got grades between 90 and 100.